Makeup is one size fits all. I'm shooting for the stage white powder for One Size Beauty. I'm so happy to do it, and I really believe in it, and I love makeup, so. I'm Amanda Lepore.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be in honor of a video. Guys, I have not worn this long nails in so long because guess who we are filming with? Where is that paper? Oh my god, you guys are not ready for this. Today, we are doing a campaign with the one, the only, the queen of the New York nightlife, icon, trailblazer, supermodel, Amanda Lepore. You're so crazy.
I'm shooting for the stage white powder for One Size Beauty. Makeup is one size fits all.
Amanda Lepore is such an icon, legendary, all the above. I recall seeing her beautiful porcelain skin and I said, you know what, Miss Ma'am, Miss Amanda Lepore, people have been asking for this product over and over and over again. Could you be the face of this product? Stage white. This product launched, I want to say like 2021, end of 2021. We came out with a turn of the base powder foundations, and then I created this specifically for like a Gottmik. I was like, wow, I specifically remember it like it was yesterday, and I remember Gottmik was in the finals and RuPaul's Drag Race, and I was like, you know what, girl, I want to make you a stage white. So I just made it, I got samples, and then we ordered a very, very few. And a lot of people at the time, you know, did not believe in this product. Let me just say that. I just want to be very careful. A lot of people did not believe in this product, and I believed in it because I love this as a powder foundation, not to make you look literally white like Gottmik, but to highlight and to bump up the complexion. This is a very similar to Shivering White by MAC, but the difference between Studio Fix powder and Turn Up the Base powder is that this one has rice silk powder and it's cruelty free and vegan, and it's just so soft and gorgeous. MAC Studio Fix is a little bit heavier. I love the stage white. Because of high demand, people want this to come back. So we said, let's just bring it back. Let's promote it with a beautiful campaign. And we are here today with Amanda Lepore. Right now, she is getting a 360-degree body scan of her so we can immortalize her into a doll for a very, very exclusive VIP PR packaging. But I just want to show you guys a behind the scenes because you guys are in store for a beautiful set design. We're going for like wicked, popular scenery with the vanity and also beautiful like high key, super bright photography with the one, the only Jessie Tam. My nails today, I tried the little cat magnetic nails. Ronnie was helping me. I just super glued some nails to match my outfit. Landon is the stylist today, and I look very Jean Paul Gaultier inspired, and it's gonna be one hell of a day. So if you guys want to see this vlog, comment down below. If I discontinue a product, let me know what I should bring back, because you never know. If it's in demand, I could very much tell my team and we'll bring it back. I do have one other product that has been discontinued that has been in very high demand that is coming back. Can you guys guess in the comments? Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Nothing.
Your story.
Nothing.
Guys, Ronnie has so many stories that he doesn't like to share.
No, not for. They're too explicit for you. I already got your Snapchat taken down once. I don't need your ears.
Oh my god, guys, if you. Oh, Aldo, Google PatrickStarrr and MUA Ronnie Snapchat and see if it comes up. My Snapchat got deleted years ago, and some people still remember it.
I know, and everyone tried to blame it on me, and I'm like, how the hell can I do it when I was just sitting there minding my business, all in my nude glory?
Oh my god, wait, hit images, hit images. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna be bald today, and Ronnie wanted to do a black smoky wing. Do you see it?
Which one is it?
Oh, let me see. Snapchat. Oh, did it get deleted? Oh, probably.
Yeah. I got it removed from the internet. My nudes.
No.
They went down just like Tumblr did.
Hey, I love Tumblr.
Tumblr, thank God Tumblr went down because all of my OnlyFans pictures were up
I
there.
love Tumblr.
Oh, it did. It used to be up here.
I know, I got it removed. I paid for the removal on the internet. It's good to know people.
It's good to know people. So, okay, what's the story? How did it get removed?
No, because Ronnie would always do his little mangina, and then I snapped it one day, and then my whole account got deleted.
His pussy.
Girl.
I literally would do the
meat curtains.
I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my penis missing.
Always.
Well, exactly
like this.
that.
20 years ago?
Girl, shut the fuck. Girl, not 20 years ago.
Oh.
YouTube wasn't even alive 20 years ago.
Q&A. You guys love that I am giving you like old school YouTube realness with this. It's very
Let me see my old face.
Ronnie was skinty.
Oh, I still am this. How dare you?
beautiful. Do you want to say anything?
Look at the giving. She is so happy.
With what?
So she got ready at 3 a.m. And I was like, did you even sleep? She's like, oh no, honey. As soon as we got in, we slept. It's like the Balenciaga timing, you know, when I went. And so I already went to sleep and I woke up at 3 a.m. It just takes me in the process of things. And so she has like a whole ritual. And I'm like, amazed.
She gets ready at 3. She got ready at 3 a.m.
She got ready at 3 a.m.
And what time was she done?
She was done.
She really gets ready for 8 hours?
Yeah, well, she says the technical makeup portion of it takes just above like 2.5 hours, like around that time. But she does, that's just her makeup. But she does her whole skin thing. She also does body makeup. She does the hair. There's the outfit. And, you know, she flashed me in the bus. She was like this because we were talking about her outfits. Guess what I found out today?
What?
She makes all her own clothes. She goes, oh, I can make all my own clothes. I was like, wait, what? She goes, and I stoned it. I stoned this. And then she goes, and I have my purse, and I stoned it too. And then she opened up her bag. She has a beautiful little mirror. Then she stoned it. Yes. Then she stoned. She goes, I stoned this too. I was like, oh my gosh. But yeah, she does her outfits, and all of her outfits are convertible. So it's like she has like the dress, and she unzips it, and it becomes a cocktail dress, and then she takes off the thing, and she goes like this, and then she has the nipple thing, which she showed me. So she just shows me like this. She goes, and then I have the nipple thing, and then she just
Who
shows
was
me.
with you, Natalie?
Me, Chanela, Jeff, and Esteban, her makeup artist.
Did you have anybody else?
No.
Oh, just Esteban.
Esteban, he does everything. He's been with her for 10 years or 12 years.
Wow. He used to work at Mac.
Yeah, he said, he goes, Patrick used to work at Mac. I'm like, yeah, she goes, I used to work back. So they learned each other. They help each other like with makeup and things.
Oh my god.
But she's so happy. She
Did
loves
she love the double?
She loved it. As soon as we went, I was like, oh my god, thank you so much for being here. Do you have like a pose? I think I wanted to align before she gets in there. It's like, she goes, yeah, this is what I think. And she did this. And I was like, perfect. And then she held the compact and we just slipped it right in there. And so the first one, it's like the cover, it was covering the logo. So then you just went in there, pulled it up a little bit so we could see the One Face logo. And then she did it and it was perfect.
So what Landon did, he came yesterday for the fitting, and so he said Patrick's outfit wasn't gonna make it in time. So he had someone go from LAX to New York City, stay there the night before, sleep there, wake up early, pick up the outfit, get on a plane, and rush back to LAX to make it in time with the outfit for the fitting.
And we just got it last night. And then he's like, I'm gonna rhinestone it. So they stayed up till 5 a.m. rhinestoning this. I said, you don't have to do that for me.
At 11 p.m., Landon sent me a photo of them already rhinestoning it, rhinestone by rhinestone. He said, I want to do this. And it was like covered in rhinestone. I said, oh my god. And this morning I was like, good morning. How did you sleep? And he was like, oh, I stayed up till 5 a.m. I was like,
And that's called commitment. Patrick says that after, and I say, yes, thank you so much for having the outfit here on time. That is amazing.
At a glance, you look like you're like
I'm what?
Hey.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're going on 10. Hi, my name is Esteban, and you're here shooting the campaign with Patrick.
Guys, Esteban, we were talking about this at like one of the parties at Fashion
Lebain on top.
Yes, Lebain.
Lebain
Okay,
on top.
good
We were
memory.
talking about it, I think it was like during the spring.
Yeah, spring fashion.
It was Fashion Week,
Yeah,
February.
yeah, February, yeah.
February, winter, yeah.
And I was like, I want to work with Amanda, but I'm so nervous to ask.
No, and I was like, no, of course.
And you
We're-
told her.
Yes, I told her. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
was like, yeah, and she was so excited, so open about it. Yeah, we're
Can
so
you-
thrilled to
can
be
you
here.
Tell us a little bit about her glam process.
Her glam process. So her glam process basically is the whole day. So it's like about like 8 to 10 hours. She has her rituals. You know, she wakes up, has her breakfast, then she does a little meditation, and then she starts to get glam with some music, and then it's like the whole thing. It's like makeup, hair, corset, body makeup all over.
Okay.
You know, so yes.
And you've been there for
I've been
for
there
years.
I've been there for like what now, like 12 years.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. Well, I hope we're doing you justice at one
Yes,
side.
of course.
And thank
You
you,
guys-
for lending your talent.
Of
to
course,
us.
anytime, and thank you so much for having me.
Did you love the room?
I'm obsessed with the room. It was so
Okay.
special. We would never had a surprise like that, or no one ever
I
treated us
said
like
throw
that.
the room in red and
Yes.
one side.
Yeah, and it was so special to the details with the
Yeah,
balloon,
with your
the photo, and the
photo.
chips. Yeah, it
Yes.
was such a beautiful moment. Thank you so much.
Well, be sure to follow
Yes.
his handle right here, and we'll jump into the shoot, and we'll get a word from Amanda soon. Hello. Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, so excited.
Did you love the doll?
Yeah.
The doll
oh my God, it's
moment?
gonna be incredible.
Yes, I was
my
like, we need
God.
to immortalize her now with
Oh
our
my
product,
God.
and it's a gift from us to you and your friends and family and
Oh my
fans. And I was like, I
God,
want
so
all,
fabulous.
yeah, I was like, I want all the Amanda Lepore fans to get like a replica in one size in that.
Oh my God,
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah, how was your trip?
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. A beauty campaign, another one for the books
I
for
know,
you.
It's so exciting.
Yeah, my team was like, no, you didn't. Because I was telling my creative director, Hannah, I was telling her, I was like, oh, what if we shoot with Amanda? I'm talking about you. I was like, what if we shoot with Amanda? And she was like, I would die. I was like, let me ask. Because we talked about it at Lebain
Yeah.
earlier this year.
remember.
Yeah. Well, thank you. We're here.
Oh, yeah. It's so exciting.
Okay, it's going to be
happening.
cool. PatrickStarrr, Amanda Lepore, and One Size Beauty with Stage White. Who else? There's no one else. I would not have anybody else. I would die with this product, never to launch it again if Amanda wasn't here. So thank you for
and
being
it
here.
blurs too.
Yes, I love it. And stunning. Guys, stunning and gorgeous. And I'm so honored. Thank you for being here.
I definitely think that makeup is an art form and something for confidence, and you could really transform and do all kinds of things, you know, like from references from the past, or you just want to feel good.
Guys, I felt like we shot a music video. We were doing sets in different poses. There's this one picture that I wanted to recreate from Wicked, which is like Ariana and Cynthia, well, Linda and Alpha, but looking in the mirror in the vanity. What's so funny is that it took like 30 minutes just to pose us. And I felt like I was doing hinges at the gym on these heels. Like gravity was against me. But when we were waiting, as they were setting up all the stuff, let me tell you, she got ready at 3:30 a.m. She done left Suki Waterhouse, performed, went home, packed, then went on a flight, and then came here. And I was like, oh, so what exactly is in your routine? You know what she said? My skincare, my makeup, you know, it's very, I get breakfast. And then I was like, oh, okay. And then she whispered, she goes, I do yoga. And I was like, what?
I could get ready really fast, but I prefer, like, if it's something special or something, I like to really, like, take 8 hours and like you know, do some yoga and, like, have breakfast. And I think that it's really important if you want your makeup to look good, is to take care of your skin. The makeup doesn't take as long as everything else, I think.
She does yoga in her routine, her beauty routine. I can't. But guys, she looks amazing. What do you think, Ronnie?
She looks fantastic. I mean, if she does yoga in her routine, we're gonna be doing downward dogs. Up and down.
You know what? My toes was already doing downward dogs in them shoes, girl. Because I think they're already lined with satin, right? Because when you guys were stoning my tights earlier, I started slowly doing a split like I was in Pilates on the reformer. Guys, it's giving one short day in the Emerald City. It's the Ruby City, okay? We are here. We decided to change it up by adding these avant-garde bunny ear turban situation that Lance had wanted to sport. And we went to more of a simple backdrop, if you guys can take a look. This is what we're doing. Amanda Lepore's back there. Ronnie's over here. The creative team is here. The guys, they did amazing. This will be the last of it for us. And hopefully we have some beautiful photos to show you guys in a few to rep Stage White.
I like really saturated color and anything that makes you look glamorous. I feel like more confident and stronger.
For being upset at 3:30, girl, how are you holding up? It's damn near 9 p.m.
We are holding up with your beautiful energy, your great team, Amanda's beautiful energy too as well, and most of it you. You brought this beautiful magic, and your team, everyone has been great, and that gives you just more energy to keep going. We keep going for 2 more days.
Girl, well, you're here for 2 more days. You're going to be at our holiday party.
Yes, I can't wait. We're looking forward to it. Thank you for having us.
Guys, we keep it in the fam. We are Mac girlies.
And we stick together. The freaks stick together.
You're here. Let's check on Amanda. Just one more interview, and then we're wrapped. Thank you for being here.
Of course, thanks
for sharing your talent with us. Keep eating it with the Latinos and the Filipinos.
Latino and Filipino come together for life.
We're here. We're here. Amanda Lepore, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you. It's so much fun. I love you.
Oh, I love you too. How was your day today? And what do you think of One Size and the shoot and a whole shoot dedicated to you on Stage White?
It was so great. It was so amazing. They did such a wonderful job and took care of me so well. And I love the makeup. I use it in my personal life too.
What advice would you give for people out there that want a little touch or inspo word from the Amanda Lepore?
Not fantasize about it, just do it.
Guys, stop fantasizing about it. Just do it. For me to have bumped into you at Lebain just earlier last year or this year, I forgot. But seeing you has been such an inspiration that you own who you are. You are a fantasy in reality. So thank you so much for working with us at One Size and being in a shoot and photo and video with me today. Guys, be sure to follow Amanda Lepore. Check out our campaign with One Size Beauty. If you see her, wave, kiss, and, just give her some love all over social media. And I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye.
It's like Camera Patrick.